Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Aman Singh and I am facilitator in ML Khanna DAV Public School, Dwarka, Delhi. And I am so glad and happy that I got this opportunity to take this session today, online workout session, or you call it online aerobic workout session. We all will enjoy today. We'll soon start the session. Before that, I have few important points for my dear children, and these points are, we have 3 points. First one, I will showcase a particular step. I will break it down for you so that it will be easy for all of you to understand it and you'll get to know what the step is all about. Then second point, we'll do the same step which I'll showcase it for 32 counts. Yes, I repeat, 32 counts. And the third important point, I'll play a beautiful song for all of you, and the name of the song is I Like to Move It. We'll do all these steps on the same song. Alright? So let's get started. First step. Before we start this workout, I'd like to tell you all that I have came up with this beautiful craft for working out right from head to toe. So we'll work out for the entire body. We'll energize and refresh our entire body right from head to toe. So like I said, we'll start from head. So we've got to activate our neck muscles. For that, we will initially start from the basic part, and the basic part is walking. So I request all my dear students to get up from your seats. Stand at your position like I am standing over here, and you all have to start walking. You all know how to walk. So you have to lift your left leg first, then right, then left, then right. So we have to do the same step. How many counts? 32 counts. First we'll do it on counting. Alright, 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do the same on music now. Let's go. So yeah, like I said, the name of the song is I Like to Move It. Let's get started. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So yeah, since we have done it on music, we'll add our neck also to the same working. How to add the neck muscles, how to activate our neck muscles. This is the first part. You have to start working 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Not both legs together, but one by one. So we will raise our neck upward and then downward. So first 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, then up, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then down. So after every 4 count, we will change our neck position. Up and down, up and down. Let's start on counting. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So we'll do the same exercise on music now. Let's get started. Do it with me. Go. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop it. Alright, so this is first part of the video. Now we'll move on to the next step. Alright. Alright, so since we were working out on our neck muscles, this is the second variation in which you have to move your neck to the left after every 4 counts, and after every 4 counts you have to move your neck from left to right. So look at the variation now. You have to keep walking till then, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how we are going to do the same variation on music now. Alright, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, coming. So, we have completed 2 variations of neck muscles, activating neck muscles. Then comes your chest area and the upper part of the shoulders. You can work it out by this exercise. So what you have to do is you have to place both the hands on your waist and you have to raise your left leg onto the left side, and then you have to bring your right leg closer to the left one. And we'll do the same exercise on the right hand side. Look at me how we'll do it. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically while going to the left hand side, we are expanding our chest, and while bringing your right leg closer to the left one, we are contracting our chest. So we'll do the same exercise, 32 counts. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So like I have shown you how our legs are moving. So basically left leg moving on to the left side first. Then we'll moving our right leg closer to the left one. Then right leg will go to the right hand side like this. We have to literally raise it first. Then left leg will join the right leg. This is how we have 3 variations. The first variation is you have to place your hands on the waist. Alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second variation is you have to raise your right hand and place it on in front of your chest, and then you have to raise your left hand, place it over the right hand. So like this. 1, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. This is the second variation of the exercise. And the third variation is a Namaste step. I found this step a very cool step in which you have to, I'm sure my dear children, you all know how to do Namaste. So I have a twist in this. You have to do Namaste like this. Like this. So you have to join your elbows too. So starting position will be like this, and open and close, open and close. So this is the third variation of thoracic activating muscles. Alright, let's do all 3 exercises on music now. Let's go. Go! 5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop it. So these were the 3 exercises which we have covered for our thoracic part. We have generally expanded our muscles, the upper part of the body, expanded our chest and contracting it. We also activated our shoulders. We'll now move on to our waist exercises. Let's go.